Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we're tackling a problem with Logitech G Hub being stuck on installing. So basically you would go into the install exe for your Logitech G Hub and it'll just get stuck on installing, won't continue any further, doesn't matter how long you wait. So the solution itself is kind of weird, but according to everyone and Logitech, this is the fix for it. So let's say this install got stuck. I'm unable to recreate the problem. All you want to do is go to your task manager and shut this down if it doesn't want to shut down with the X on the top there. Now your next stop is you want to go to the C drive, that's where it installs to, and you want to look for the program data folder. If you don't see the program data file in here, it's probably because it's hidden. So all you need to do is go to the top tab here in your file explorer and say view. And then you're going to go all the way down to show and hidden items. And that should show you the program data folder. And now you just want to look for LG Hub. And you want to delete all of that, the entire folder. And once that's deleted, all you need to do is run the installer again and it should work perfectly. Again, I'm not going to go into it as proof of concept that it works because, like I say, I never experienced the problem myself. Though I do have two installers for a different issue that we solved on another video, so it could be that. So I'll just link you to that Windows 7 installer as well, just to be safe. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider subscribing and liking the video, and I'll see you in the next one.